Right now, just become aware of what thoughts are there in your mind.
Okay.
Yeah, even the thoughts that, okay, what is going to happen now? Should I continue to stay with this live session or should I move ahead? Just become aware of whatever the thought is. Okay. Now become aware of your breath. Yeah. I'm not telling you to stop thinking. All I'm telling is become aware of your breathing. It's okay if the thoughts are coming and going, but be aware of your breath. Now, can you feel from which part of the lung are you breathing? Are you breathing more from the lower lung or more from the upper?
I guess low.
Or is it more to the right or is it more to the left?
Both are. I felt both are working equally, but जितना मेरा awareness जा रहा है उतने में मैं इतना ही बता पाऊंगी कि I
But
feel
you could
both are
feel that
working.
it was lower and it is in both. So now, the
Right.
moment you became aware of your breathing, automatically Chitta Vritti Nirodha started happening.
Right.
So it's a very simple technique to do yoga. Now, secondly, one is you become aware of your breath. Second, if there are any discomfort or disbalance in your breathing pattern, we try to correct it through the pranayama practice. And one of the key pranayama to do this is the Nadi Shodhana pranayam. And how to do Nadi Shodhan pranayam? It's a very tricky pranayam. And I've seen many people doing it in a wrong way. And then they say, I have been practicing Nadi Shodhan pranayam, but still it's not working for me. It is very boring because it's not done in a correct way. So to do Nadi Shodhan, first we'll become aware of our lungs. So first become aware of the lower lung. You can place your hands on the lower lung and breathe only from the lower lungs. Now, when I say breathe only from the lower lungs, as you inhale, it should expand. And as you exhale, it should relax. Not the other way. As you inhale, it should expand. As you exhale, it should go in. Fine. Now place your hands on the side middle lungs. Not lower, mid sides. And try to breathe from there. As you inhale, feel the expansion in outer direction. With exhalation, coming closer to each other. With inhalation, expansion. With exhalation, coming closer to each other. Your ribs should push your hands outward as you inhale, and they should move in as you exhale. Very nice. Now place your hands on your upper chest, the clavicle region, and try to breathe from here. As you inhale, expand. There should be an upward lift. With exhalation, relax. Slow, deep inhalation, expanding the chest in upward direction. Slow, controlled exhalation, slowly, slowly relax. Very good. Now release your hand and be aware of all the three parts of your lungs, the lower, the middle, and the upper. Maintaining this awareness, breathe in from all the three parts, breathe out from all the three parts. Expansion with inhalation. Slow, controlled relaxation with exhalation. Now, we will use the Pranayama Mudra, closing the right nostril with the right thumb. Inhale with left nostril, maintaining the same awareness. Breathe from all the three parts of your lung. Closing the left nostril with right exhale, slow, controlled exhalation. With right inhale, expanding, closing the right with left, slow, controlled exhalation. Awareness should be on all the parts of your lungs. Continue for one more round. expanding with inhalation, relaxing very slow and controlled way with exhalation. Stop after completing this round. How do you feel after doing this small practice?
Relaxed.
So one is relaxed chitta vritti nirodha happening. What about samatvam yoga uchyate? Are you feeling more balanced also? How is your energy state? The chest is more lifted. But at the same time, you're calm. Either we go to the extreme, that is, chest is lifted and we are ready to fight, or the chest shrinks, we are very depressed. But pranayama creates that sense of balance, samatvam yoga. So this is how the pranayama practice leads to a state of integral health. So I have just shared a very simple technique. More important while doing pranayam, any pranayama technique you may take, is how aware you are towards your breathing. And Nadi Shodhana literally means you should be aware of all the parts of your lungs. You may observe when you just started, the breathing was only flowing to one part of your lung. But as you take your awareness to different parts, the breath starts flowing, the prana starts flowing. And nadis are the energy channels through which prana flows. If they are blocked, you just have to take your mind, where the mind goes, energy flows. This is Nadi Shodhana. If you're not doing this with this awareness, we cannot call it Nadi Shodhana. So similarly, any pranayama practice, if you do with this awareness, it will lead to a state of integral health.